Hi, this brief presentation is to give you an overview of the changes that are taking place with the introduction of version 2 of the National Outcomes and Case Mix Collection. This brief presentation will give you an understanding of why these changes are taking place, what these changes are, particularly the removal of the mental health focus of care and the inclusion of the mental health phase of care in the technical specifications of the National Outcomes and Case Mix Collection, and what are the next steps. Basically, the impetus for change is the introduction of the first version of the Australian Mental Health Care Classification. This classification tries to group consumers who are clinically similar into groups that have similar resource needs. You'll see from the classification in admitted settings that the HONOS, legal status and age group, along with the mental health phase of care, are used to group consumers into clinically similar groups with similar resource needs. This mental health phase of care is also seen in the classification used in ambulatory settings, as well as age group, HONOS complexity scores and scores on the life skills profile. The introduction of the classification means that there will be some changes to the NOC technical specification. Currently, the technical specification includes the mental health focus of care. This mental health focus of care is captured in adult mental health services and older persons mental health services, primarily in ambulatory settings, and it is collected on review and discharge. The introduction of the mental health phase of care will see the removal of the focus of care from the NOC technical specifications. It will see the introduction of the mental health phase of care, which is captured across all service settings and across all age groups. The other change is that instead of being captured at review and discharge, the mental health phase of care will be captured on admission and review. These changes are to the National Outcomes and Case Mix Collection technical specifications. They may take some time to be introduced into all states and territories. You need to consult your local resource on the collection about what is happening closer to home for you. AMACAN will modify its training materials over time to reflect the changes in the specifications. If you want to learn more about the introduction of the phase of care into the National Outcomes and Case Mix Collection technical specification, you can download a copy of the technical specification from our website. Look to this website for updates and additional training resources in relation to the mental health phase of care.